Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well in your life. So, let's go and understand common word meaning in computer with the help of Mission Parivartan, but as well as with the help of images. Definitely. And after that, you will never forget such type of vocabulary from your mind. So first of all, software, the programs, applications and instructions that tell a computer what to do and how to do. Okay, hardware, the physical components of any computer or a laptop or a mobile, such as the CPU, memory, peripherals. And the other one is operating system, software that manages computer hardware and provides a user interface. It's called a operating system. Central processing unit, the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instruction. How to do? Memory means RAM, temporary storage for data and programs currently in use. Hard drive, HDD, solid state drive, SSD, permanent storage for data and programs. Motherboard, the main circuit board of a computer that connects and control all hardware components. Peripheral, a device connected to a computer such as keyboard, mouse, printer or monitor. You can see the images. Okay, the other one is desktop, the primary screen and workspace on computer's graphical user interface. Folder, a digital container used to organize and store files and other folders. File, a digital document, program or piece of data stored on a computer. The other one is browser, a software application for accessing and navigating the internet. It is called a surfing also. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, a web address that specifies the location of resources on the internet. Server, a computer or system that provides services or resources to the other computer over a network. Let's discuss what is network. A network, let's discuss a system of interconnected computers and devices for sharing data and resources. Router or router, a device that connects different networks and direct data traffic between them. Firewall, a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. With the help of image, you can check out. The other one is virus, malicious software that can harm a computer, even damage your software, or steal the data from your computer. Encryption, it is very necessary to encrypt your data, to encrypt your files. So the process of converting data into a code to protect it from theft, from unauthorized accesses. And the other one you know very well, mouse means chuha. Not it is like that, a pointing device. It is a pointing device used to interact with a computer's graphical user interface. Keyboard, an input device with keys for typing text and executing commands. Like pat. And the other one is cursor, a graphical indicator on the screen that allows where your mouse or keyboard inputs is focused. Your actual location is focused. And the other one is search engine, a web service that helps you find the information on internet like Google, ChatGPT as well as, and you can see all the images. And the last one, but not the least one, is cloud computing. I will make a video on cloud computing and how it works. So let's understand right now the terminology. Storing and accessing data and application, okay? Storing and accessing data and applications over the internet instead of on a local computer. So these are just some of many common words and terms in the field of computer and information technology. The industry continually involves so new terms and technologies, and we will come out with them. Okay, so stay with us and must share our video, okay, and as well as like the video if you like the way I talk in video. Thank you very much.